Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wayona, or 7 miles west of Streator, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Streator, Wayona, South Streator, Lawston, Ransom, Kangley, and Leonore. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is no